Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, Zainab. How are you doing?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm also good. Let everyone come inside. Enjoyed the rains or not?
Ma'am, not at all.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, it's so cold.
Mama must
And,
be feeding. Mama must be feeding good food to you people, isn't it?
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can we have the cameras on if possible?
Yes,
Excuse me.
Yes, beta Naitik. Yes, Naitik. Say it.
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
You?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is clear. No, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Manrina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have the video on, please?
Okay, ma'am.
And okay, how are you doing? Good? Okay. What about others who are there in the class? If you could please switch on the cameras.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajnandini feeling very cold?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now my voice is clear, Naitik?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Harshita. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Manrina has put up such a nice picture, no? Looking at that, I feel as if outside also the sun is about.
Ma'am, I only clicked this.
Okay, that's so good. Very good. So you love doing photography, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Let us wait. What shall we start? And how is Jazz? Is she taking her classes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I think yesterday I think manufacturing industries we were doing, right?
Ma'am, we draw two photos.
Ma'am, we were doing regional, ma'am, we were
Industrial
doing...
regions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's ma'am.
Fine. So
I have completed this.
we have completed this.
Yes, ma'am. We need to start from major industries.
We need to start from major industries.
Yes.
How do I change the background of my screen if I want to?
Ma'am, you have video.
I need to go to video.
Yes, ma'am. On video setting.
Okay.
Ma'am, on the right hand side, you will see one small arrow.
Choose virtual background, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you got it?
I got it, but it's not applying it. I don't know. Show video.
You can click on.
You have to click on that. I have a green screen.
Wait. Just a second. ये क्या आ गया?
And this is zoom filter.
अच्छा, this is zoom filter.
And I'm at the right hand side on that there is a tab of backgrounds.
Okay. हाँ, background.
Do you have a green screen? You have to click I have a green screen.
Now,
You can choose any background.
okay. Now it is coming.
Ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, don't apply background, ma'am. It is looking very weird.
it is looking, I know, but now how to?
You have to click on in the background. You have to click on none.
Okay, again I have to click there.
None. Ma'am, you have to click on virtual background and click on none.
Okay, I will do that. None. And then none. Right? Now it is.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So today I learned one thing. Thank you. Chaliye,
Welcome, ma'am.
let us start with the chapter. Industrial regions we have done.
Ma'am, we have to start from
Tell the page number.
Beta
Ma'am,
page
we need to
194.
192 major
194
industries.
is the page number, major industries. Yesterday, I think we did that flowchart also we did, no?
Yes, ma'am, 2 flowcharts.
Flowcharts we did. Fine. Let me just check which flowchart we did. Beta, can you tell me, was it handwritten or typed one?
Ma'am, typed one.
It was typed one.
Ma'am, you have made it yesterday.
This is what I'm trying to find. Okay. Right. Chalo. Major industries. Now see, in this chapter, we'll be discussing about the major industries of the world. See, if you see, initially when the industries came up, most of the industries were of textile, and slowly, iron and textile industries also came into existence, right? So today we are going to read about the iron and steel industries. Now, if you look at these industries, they are considered as the basic industries, right? Now, why they are the basic industries? Because these industries, because it is iron and steel industry, they provide the raw material for the other industries, like all the machines that are manufactured under this iron and steel industry, they support the other industries that we have, right? Right? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is why the iron and steel industry is also known as the basic industries, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to the textile industries, we all know, see, everyone needs clothes, right? So the textile industries that we have, whether it is a cotton textile or a woolen textile or a man-made fiber industry, there are several fabrics that have been introduced now because of the technology that we have involved in, right? So with the help of the technology, we have made several man-made fibers which are quite cheap in pricing. That is why everyone is able to afford clothes, though everyone has their own choice of choosing on the material that they wear. But still, if we say everyone has a capacity to buy clothes depending upon the quality and the price, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we will read and little bit explanation accordingly we will do, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So can we have Harshita reading major industries?
Yes, ma'am. Major industries. A wide variety of industries have developed all over the world. They include textiles, food processing, beverages, metallurgical,
Meteorological.
engineering, transport, equipment, chemicals, and cement. We will now learn about the two most important industries, iron and steel and textiles.
Though there are several industries that we have, but then the most important out of those industries, we have the iron and steel and the textile, right? Chalo, continue. Beta.
Iron and steel industry. This is a basic industry. Iron and steel are used in manufacturing of machines, tools, and various equipments used by other industries. In fact, uh, production of iron and steel is an index of the industrial growth of a nation. The raw materials used in the iron and the steel industry are iron ore, coal, limestone, and manganese. The iron ore is mixed with coal and limestone and smelted together in a blast
Furnace.
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 The molten iron
It
is
is a
run
container.
into molds.
Listen. It is a container. Blast furnace is a container in which all the raw materials they are put together and they are mixed and they are then made to liquid. Okay, and after that, required shapes are given to the liquid forms, right? Right, class?
Into molds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Into molds and is called pig iron. After it solidifies, it is hard and strong, but very brittle as it contains impurities. The impurities are removed and pure iron is obtained. Some carbon is mixed with pure iron to make steel. Steel is very flexible and can be made into any shape like sheets, wires, and rods. Iron and steel industry is raw material oriented and has largely developed in those regions where iron ore and coal are available in the same vicinity. The Great Lakes regions of the USA has a number of steel production centers such as Pittsburgh, Youngstown, uh, Chicago and Gray. In Europe. Countries such as UK, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Poland, Belgium, Sweden, and uh, Ukraine have large-scale iron and steel.
Ukraine. It is Ukraine. Belgium.
Ukraine has large-scale iron and steel industries. In Russia, the Urals is the most important steel production region.
Urals. Beta, Urals is the most important steel producer. Urals क्या है जानते हैं बेटा? These are the mountains, okay, which divide the Europe and the Asia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Urals are the mountain ranges. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Japan is a major producer of steel and has large centers in the Alaska,
Osaka,
Kobe, and
Tokyo, Yokohama.
other steel producers are China, India, Australia, Brazil, Venezuela,
Chile.
Chile, Algeria, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. In India, the iron and steel industry is concentrated in the
Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateaus.
The main centers are at Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Bhilai, Rourkela, Durgapur, Bhadravati,
Vijayanagar,
Vikas,
Beta Vishakhapatnam and Salem. Okay.
Visakhapatnam and Salem.
Hanji. Anshuman? Beta, anything,
ma'am.
small thing to be explained? I hope it is clear and understood. They have simply told you that
Yes.
where in world you
Yes,
find
ma'am.
the concentration of the industries, right? They have also talked, they have also told you about major industries in the developed countries where there is concentration of iron and steel industries, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman, read about the textile industry, and after that Mandrina will read, okay?
Ma'am, where is my chance?
I'll tell you, don't worry. Yesterday you read, no?
No, ma'am.
Chalo, fine. I'll tell you. Okay? Hanji.
Textile industries. Textiles have been made since ancient times using plant producers like cotton, jute, and flax, and animal products like wool and silk. Cotton textiles are believed to have originated in the Indus Valley civilization. Earlier, cotton used to be spun and woven by hand using spinning wheels and looms. The Industrial Revolution brought about a dramatic change in the textile industry. Power looms started being used first in the Great Britain and then spread to the other parts of the world. Today, there are three types of mills: spinning mills, spinning mills which produce yarn, weaving mills which produce cloth, and composite mills which produce both yarn and cotton, cloth.
Cloth.
Cotton textiles are mainly produced in the USA, China, India, Russia, UK, Japan, Brazil, France, Spain, Italy, and Egypt.
Right.
In India, the cotton textile industry is mainly located in the cotton producing states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Mumbai and Ahmedabad are the two most important centers. Kanpur, Kolkata, Nagpur, Solapur, Indore, Coimbatore, and Delhi are the other centers of this industry. The woolen industry is important in Russia, the USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Argentina, South Africa, France, Germany, Japan, and India. In India, this industry is concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Dhariwal, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Jaipur, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad are important centers. India imports good quality raw wool from Australia.
Okay, wait.
The jute industry.
Mandrina. Yes, Mandrina.
Ma'am, do I have to start from woolen industry?
No, the jute industry.
Okay, ma'am. The jute industry produces useful goods like ropes, mats, bags, packing materials, and jute cloth. India and Bangladesh have monopolized the production of both raw jute as well as jute goods. In India, this industry is concentrated in the Hooghly River basin in West Bengal, which, apart from being the main growing area, has the benefit of cheap water transport. Jute industry faces though competition from synthetic fibers.
Mandrina, it is tough competition from synthetic fibers. Tough
competitions from synthetic fibers.
What
Silk textiles.
Wait. What are synthetic fibers, you know?
Ma'am, artificial.
Polymers.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. See,
Ma'am, man-made fiber.
No.
No. Man-made fiber. Of course, it is a man-made fiber because we mix technology. Chemicals are mixed to make it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nylon, rayon, all these are the synthetic fibers. Now, see, these synthetic fibers, when goods are made out of it, when articles are made out of it, they are quite cheap in quality. They are cheaper also. Like if you compare jute product and the jute fiber, and if you compare the synthetic fibers, you will find a huge difference between them. That is why the jute fibers are quite costly and these synthetic fibers are very cheap. So when it is given a choice, when the choice is there in the market, people generally buy the synthetic fibers, right? Chalo, carry on.
Yes,
ma'am. Carry on, Manrina.
Okay, ma'am. Silk textiles originated in China. Silk has also been produced in Japan, Korea, and India since ancient times. Rearing of silkworms and producing of silk thread from the cocoons are household industries. The textile is mostly woven on handlooms. Japan is the leading producer of silk in the world. China, Russia, France, the USA, India, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and other producers. In India, most of the production comes from Karnataka, West Bengal, and Jammu and Kashmir. The main silk producing centers are Bengaluru, Mysore, Murshidabad, Bankura, and Srinagar.
Fine.
Textile produced from flax are mostly common in Russia, Poland, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Synthetic textiles like rayon, nylon, acrylic, and polyester are a recent introduction. They have become very popular because they are cheaper, easier to maintain, and more durable than the natural textiles. The USA, Japan, Germany, Russia, and India are the major producers of synthetic textiles.
Fine. This is what we have. Now, tell me what you have not understood in the paragraphs that we have read. You need to remember the names of the countries which are the largest producers, like for jute, for cotton, for the woolen industry, which all countries are the major or the leading producers. You need to memorize these names, right? Right? Not every country is good in everything. Like Japan, if you see, Japan, Osaka has become the leading textile producer only after they used technology for it. Japan has no natural environment to have the cotton grow there, but because of the artificial environment that has been created through the help of the technology, Japan has become one of the leading producers of cotton textiles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So anything that you have not understood over here, please ask.
Ma'am, I want to know the meaning of blast furnace.
The blast furnace, I'll show you the image of blast furnace, right? Wait. Can you see on the screen, Zainab?
Yes, ma'am.
See this particularly, this is a blast furnace. It is made in such a way that all the articles are put together, all the raw materials are put inside, and then the processing takes place, right?
Okay, ma'am.
See, so many are there, right? Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Anything else, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Rajnandini?
Yes, ma'am.
Where in India iron and steel industry is concentrated?
Please repeat.
Where in India iron and steel industry is concentrated?
Ma'am, iron and steel industry like in India?
Yes.
Or
Where,
like the...
in India, where it is concentrated? Anyone in the class?
Matter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait.
मैम जमशेदपुर, बोकारो मैम, भिलाई, राउरकेला, दुर्गापुर, भद्रावती,
Names of the
विजयनगर and विशाखापट्टनम.
these are the names of the places you are telling. I am talking about the region.
Ma'am, Chota Nagpur and
छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू.
Plateau.
Very good. Chota Nagpur and the Deccan Plateau region are the places where most of the iron and steel industries are concentrated or located. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which industry is raw material oriented?
What?
Which industry is
Ma'am, iron
and
and
very good.
Iron
iron.
Very
and
good.
steel.
So it is iron and steel industry. It is a raw material oriented industry. Very good. Can you tell where in Japan steel is produced? Where in Japan?
Ma'am, can
Yes.
Osaka.
Ma'am, Alaska,
Alaska,
Koga, Kobe,
and
Tokyo, Yokohama.
Osaka.
Ma'am, Osaka, Kobe.
Very good. Very good. Osaka, Kobe, and Tokyo, Yokohama regions. Very good. Very good. Now, tell me. Where in India the cotton textiles are mainly located? Where in India?
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes, very good, very good. What about the woolen industry? Which country is the leading producer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Russia.
Russia and USA.
Russia, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand.
Very good,
Japan and
very good. When we say largest, so you will tell Russia because they have given Russia in the topmost place, right?
okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Now, can you tell where in India jute is mostly produced? Where in India
मैम
jute?
हुगली,
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
वेस्ट बंगाल.
India.
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
Beta, in India, I am saying.
मैम हुगली बेसिन इन वेस्ट
Ma'am,
बंगाल.
Hooghly River in West Bengal.
Yes, Hooghly River, West Bengal. This area mostly produces jute. Very good. Which country is considered to be the producer, which is considered to be the originator of silk textiles?
China.
Ma'am, China.
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 Very good, very good. Now, other than China, which country have been producing in ancient times?
Ma'am, Korea, Japan, and
मैम
India.
कोरिया, जापान, इंडिया.
Very good. Korea, Japan, and
Korea, Japan, and
India.
yeah, very good, very good. Then, which are the main silk producing centers in India?
Ma'am,
Karnataka, West Bengal, and
Karnataka.
Karnataka,
बंगाल.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Very good. Bengaluru, Mysore, Murshidabad, Banguru, and
Srinagar.
Srinagar.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, you all have the books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjali, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Page 195, apply it. There is a picture. Can you answer the first question of this picture?
Ma'am, it is jute.
It is jute. It is jute?
Yes, sir.
How?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Wait, I am sharing the picture on the screen. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait a second, beta. Just a minute. Huh? Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Can you see?
Yes,
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the fiber that has been used to manufacture this product. No? Yes, Manrina, tell.
Ma'am, jute has been used to manufacture this product.
Okay. Zainab, any two countries that are the leading producers of this fiber?
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Wait. Yes, Zainab?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait. Anshuman will tell. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman?
India and Bangladesh.
India and Bangladesh. Very good. Dhruv, is this product eco-friendly? Give a reason for your answer.
Yes, ma'am, it is the eco-friendly product because it is made up of natural and decomposable fiber.
Very good. Manrina, can you give any other reason for this?
ma'am, yes, ma'am, it is not, it is a natural fiber.
Yes, because it is a natural fiber. That is why we call it as a eco-friendly product. Very good.
And ma'am, it is biodegradable.
It is biodegradable as well. Very good. Fine. Now on Monday, we have a class. So Monday in that class, we'll be doing what, we'll be doing the question answers and the exercises for the chapter, right? So shall we do the exercises? Choose the correct answer and fill the blanks.
Yes. Yes.
Chalo. Achha, wait, before we start with it, can we have Raj Nandini reading the recapitulation?
ma'am, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I have taken it just now in the meeting. You got disconnected, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Never mind. Raj Nandini,
Yes, ma'am.
read out, recap.
First, on the basis of size, industries can be classified into cottage, small scale, and large scale. On the basis of raw materials, industries can be classified into agro-based, mineral-based, pastoral-based, marine-based, and forest-based. On the basis of end product, industries can be classified into basic, intermediate, and consumer goods.
Very good.
On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into private, public, joint, and cooperative sectors. Factors influencing the location of industries are availability of raw material, power supply, labor, transport, market, capital, water supply, land, climate, and government policy.
Very good.
There are 4 major industrial regions in the world: Eastern North America, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asia.
Very good. Very good. Now let us start with the exercises. In the US, the Dash region has a number of steel producing centers.
Great Lakes.
Great Lakes.
Ma'am, Great Lakes.
Great Lakes, option A. Dash is not a product of cottage industries.
Automobiles.
Automobiles.
Very good. Automobiles. The raw materials for the paper industry are obtained from Dash.
Forest.
Forest. Very good. Dash is a raw material required for steel production.
Limestone.
Very good, children. Murshidabad in West Bengal is famous for
Silk textiles.
very good. Silk textiles. Now comes the true and false. Manufactured goods are more valuable than the original raw materials. True or false?
True.
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 Yes, it is True.
True.
Cement is an example of large-scale industry.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am.
True.
True. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is sugar mills are owned and managed by the central government.
Ma'am, false.
False.
Who takes care of these?
Ma'am, cooperative industry.
They are managed. They are
Cooperative.
managed under the cooperatives. Very good. Raipur, Jabalpur is a major industrial region in India.
False.
Ma'am, false.
So which region we will write over here?
Mumbai, Pune region.
See, there are total 8 regions given, but because they are talking about Raipur, Jabalpur, and these are the places which are in the north in the eastern part, no? Near the
Yes,
Chota
ma'am.
Nagpur plateau.
Ma'am, west.
नहीं बेटा, रायपुर जबलपुर ये आपका इधर पड़ता है,
Okay.
यूपी की तरफ पड़ता है ना, ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
हाँ, बिहार, रांची, बिहार इधर है ना, तो रायपुर जबलपुर आप यहाँ पे लिख दो, छोटा नागपुर रीजन, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Now, flex is a synthetic fiber, true or false?
False. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
false.
What is it? What is flex?
Ma'am, it is a natural fiber.
It is a natural fiber. Very good.
Fiber.
हाँ,
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा,
Ma'am, third and fifth, what are the correct answers? Third and fifth.
third and fifth में it is managed by the cooperative sector, and fifth is natural fiber.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. चलो. Yes. Match the following: pottery,
Ma'am, cottage industry.
Cottage.
leather goods,
Ma'am, small scale.
Ma'am, small scale.
petrochemicals,
Ma'am, mineral waste.
very good,
Mineral waste.
very good, cosmetics,
Ma'am, consumer goods.
Consumer goods.
very good, and dairy products,
Ma'am,
Cooperative.
cooperatives, very good. Now fill in the blanks. In a large-scale industry, the various operations are headed by separate
Ma'am, functional manager.
Separate?
Ma'am, functional manager.
Very good. Functional managers.
Ma'am, manager.
Dash are product of small-scale industries.
Ma'am, leather.
Leather, yes, you can go with it. The packaging materials are considered to be dash goods.
Consumer goods.
Huh?
CBD.
Consumer goods. India and Dash are the leading producers of jute goods.
Then Bangladesh.
Very good. Very good. The molten iron is run into molds and is called dash iron.
Big iron.
Big iron.
Big iron. Very.
Big iron. Sorry.
We are left with less than 1 minute. So let us wind up now. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
Peter.
ma'am.
Ma'am, in true and false, sugar mills are owned and managed by the central government. It's ma'am, but
By
we will
cooperative sector.
ma'am,
You cut
by cooperative.
the central government and you will write cooperative sector. Okay.
And
Okay,
the
ma'am.
third one, ma'am, it will be intermediate.